Hello traders, I welcome you all back to my channel. This video is going to be about a recap of the trades we took this week. So make sure you watch this video to end because you are going to be learning a lot of things from this video. Thank you. So let's begin. First, when we began this week, the first thing we did was to move over to our weekly time frame to mark our range. Just like I taught you guys in the video about everything you need to know about Forex. So if you haven't watched that video, you can just go to my playlist on mentorship. You will see the video there. So first we went to our weekly time frame and marked our range. This is my weekly range low. Let me use that as brown. Weekly range low. This swing low is valid because of what? It has two preceding candle by the left and also two preceding candle by the right. And this high, this weekly high, is not yet confirmed as a swing high because it doesn't have a two preceding candle by the right. It just has only two preceding candle by the left alone. So it's not yet a swing high, but you can just call it a high. So after marking our range, the next thing to look out for is what price is going to run to. So and what we got here was this imbalance here. We have this imbalance here. That is what we were expecting price to run to. So after that, we now move over to our daily time frame to mark our range high and range low. So here is my daily range high. Let me use that as black. And this high is confirmed because you can see it already had two preceding candle by the left and also two preceding candle by the right. So this daily high is a confirmed swing high. So our swing low is going to be our daily swing low is going to be here. Because here has two preceding candle by the right and also two preceding candle by the left, but this one's here doesn't have it. It only have one candle each by the left. Some has two by the right and one by the left. So a valid swing high or swing low must have two preceding candle at both sides. So after we have marked our daily range, what we were looking for is how to enter the retracement and target this weekly imbalance here. And that happened after our 1 hour time frame changed from bullish to bearish here. We had this first break, which is our change of character. Then we wait for price to retrace to this supply zone here. So after price retraced to this supply zone here, what we did was to move over to our 5 minutes and wait for a trend confirmation. We move over to our 5 minutes. And here is our 5 minutes, and here is our 5 minutes change character here. The first break, which is the change of character, we use blue, and made a retracement and broke again, which is the break of structure, which means that the trend has been confirmed on this lower time frame being bearish. So here is what you guys need to be aware is you need to be aware of what is happening on the lower time frame. After those trend has been confirmed in this 5 minutes, what I discovered was 15 minutes or so has done what has changed character from bullish to bearish. As you can see, 15 minutes broke here I'll use purple. 15 minutes, let me zoom out. Wow, 15 minutes has changed from bullish to bearish, which means that this 5 minutes previous high is not going to hold. Yeah, this 5 minutes previous high, this supply zone is not going to hold. Anybody that is thinking to sell from here is going to lose that trade. Price is going to hit their stop loss because 15 minutes has changed character and has changed character bearish, and all the high that is in 5 minutes, 3 minutes, any lower time frame that is below that 15 minutes, all the high will serve as liquidity. To know more about what I'm just explaining here, you need to go and watch my video about liquidity. Yeah, you need to watch it so that you understand better what I mean. So after I found out that my 15 minutes have changed character, that's when I now knew that this 5 minutes I will serve as what? As liquidity. That's why I choose this imbalance here as my level of entry, and my stop loss was, I placed my trade here. My stop loss was above this high. Why did I choose that high? Because that high was the high of this 15 minutes. So, and my target was this weekly imbalance. That was my target. I'm still holding a little position on this trade, and also those that are on my premium group can also testify about it. This is the trade that we took this week. This is how we got in on this trade. And from what I've seen, so many people will be expecting price to respect this demand zone here in daily, but for me, I'm not sure price is going to respect this demand zone here, because we have imbalance below the demand zone. And coming over to this 4 hour or so, you see here, this is why you need to understand mitigation. Price broke this high here and respected what? This imbalance, but didn't respect the demand that caused that break of structure. So for me, I'm not going to be buying here. Instead, I will be looking for buy here. And not just that, I'll just place a buy trade here. I'll first of all wait, as you have seen that, the 1 hour is on bearish order flow. We have to wait for the trend to change, then we confirm it on the lower time frame, then boom, before we start buying again. So that is it. That was how we got in on this trade. So a quick thing to remember is, each new week, first you move over to your weekly time frame and mark out your range. After marking out your range, you look out for what price will be drawn to on that weekly time frame. Then you now come over to your daily time frame and also mark your range and look out for what price will be drawn to. After watching this video, start paying attention, you will understand what I mean. So guys, that is it about the trade that we took this week. And again, if you want to join my premium channel, it's not much, it's just $70. We do weekly recap of the trades that we took during the week, and also you will have the chance to ask me any question that you want. Mentorship as well, I'll be guiding you step by step on what you don't know, and also you'll be getting free signals. You'll be getting signals of every trade that will be taking and correction of your analysis. Yeah, you don't need to join it if you don't want. You can also profit from all the lesson that I've been giving you guys out here. So that is it, guys. I wish you all good luck and good trading. Bless.